I put this wig on my head straight out of the box. And just look at it. Do I really need to say more? Like, just look. This is straight out of the box, you guys. And now just look at the hair when she's styled, baby. My first wig did not come to play with y'all, okay? This wig is eaten.
You're watching 𝐏𝐫𝐞, Caribbean Queen, 𝐏𝐫𝐞, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching 𝐏𝐫𝐞, Caribbean Queen, 𝐏𝐫𝐞, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion.
So the wig that I'm installing for you guys today is from Myfirstwig. Now, if you do know anything about this company, they're pretty much known for their beginner-friendly wigs, very affordable, great quality, and their hair does last. I've had wigs from them, you guys, for years, so their wigs will definitely last you a while. The wig that I got from them is their curtain bangs wavy unit. It is glueless. It has invisible lace. It also comes with the clips on the inside, an extra elastic bag, and also the dress strap in the back for extra security. When purchasing their unit, you do have the option to get your lace pre-cut already. This unit does come with their new ear lace, which is invisible and breathable as well. It is quality human hair, so which means very minimal shedding, no tangling, and a long lifespan. The wig is indeed glueless, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. I did get my wig in a 20-inch, and the hair texture is a silky texture. And it also comes with a very deep parting space, which is like my favorite thing about this unit. And the hairline. Let's get into the hairline, you guys. As I said, with their new ear lace, the hairline is completely invisible. Like, you cannot see any knots. Look how natural this hairline is looking. Like, as you guys can see, I'm up close and the knots are just invisible, as you guys can see. So the lace was definitely top tier on this unit. Also, I was really happy that my unit did come pre-styled for me, so my work hair was very minimal. Your unit does also come with layers, and the layers were just cut to perfection. Like, I really love how the layers were cut. And also the curtain bangs just went so perfect with this unit. I did go ahead and install my wig off camera. Just like I said, I have one too many videos already installing my wig on camera, so I felt like that was not needed. But after installing my unit, all I did was fix the parting space. I had to make sure that my parting space was straight, and then I just like recurled the curtain bangs itself. Yeah, and this is what the hair is looking like in its natural state. I did not even touch this hair, did not go back in with my flat iron, nothing, no curling iron, like no heat at all to this hair. This is what the wig is looking like straight out of the box. So while we wait for my iron to heat up, just so I could bump like the front, I'm just gonna read you guys the details on this wig. So the order number is B1029. The texture is a silky texture, soft and smooth. The length that I got is a 20-inch. The hair color, it's a natural color. Y'all sure? Because this definitely looks jet black. Like, the cap size that I got is a size 2. The cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig, and it's 160 density, which the hair is given very full, but also there is a lot of layers to it. So to some people it might not look that full, but this is exactly how I love my hair. Like, I don't like anything too full or too thin, but this is just like, it meets right in the middle. I feel like this is like the perfect density, especially for myself. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much the wig from my first wig. This is definitely a showstopper. Like, when I tell y'all, this wig is flawless, it is beautiful, and this is definitely worth it. So far, I'm not getting any shedding, no tangling from the hair. The hair is super soft, very silky. I am seeing myself right now through my mirror, and this looks too good. Like, yeah. And this is the hair somewhat in its natural state, because all I had to do was bump the pieces that's in the front and the rest of the hair already came pre-curled. It does come with the layers for you. The hair is just, she's gorgeous. Like, I feel like a rich bitch in this wig. Like, that is how bomb this wig is. Like, it's definitely giving me like luxury vibes. She's gorgeous. Definitely check out my first wig. I will have everything listed down below for you guys. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feel on the wig. Like, what do you guys think? Also, do you think this is a natural color or jet black? Because I feel like, I'm even looking at myself in my mirror, you guys, this definitely looks jet black. Like, there's no way this is a natural black. But yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the wig. Happy New Year's, happy holidays to everybody. I did miss you guys, but I'm definitely back for good. I had to take a little break. I needed some mental clarity. Like, I just needed a break from YouTube, but I'm definitely back. A lot of new content to put out for you guys. It's just not gonna be like strictly wigs anymore. We're gonna get back into makeup, fashion hauls, all of that, like travel vlogs. We're doing it big for 2024. And yeah, I'm so excited to be back on here. Thank you guys so much for the support as always. I love you guys. Like I said, I will have everything listed down below in the comment section for you guys. If you guys do have any questions, let me know down below. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.